MSI, the world-leading gaming motherboard brand, is proud to release new BIOS updates that allow MSI Intel motherboards to support CPU-attached RAID. By using CrystalDiskMark 6.0.0, CPU-attached RAID can provide better read/write speeds, which improves storage performance for RAID. MSI also created M.2 Genie, a brilliant feature to make setting up RAID 0 for M.2 much easier and less time-consuming with fewer steps to connect the M.2 devices and enjoy higher speed. Before experiencing unmatched transfer speed using CPU-attached RAID, make sure your compatible MSI motherboards has been updated to the latest BIOS version. Updated BIOS version as below could support CPU-attached RAID. Downloads are available on the motherboard's product pages.